And in this bulletin, you'll get today's all the big updates of Himachal Pradesh in one go. So starting today's bulletin and moving to the first news, apply online from today for the recruitment of constable in Himachal. The application process will start from Friday after the Election Commission of India's no objection on the proposed recruitment for 1,333 posts of Himachal Pradesh constable. Applicants willing to participate in the recruitment will be able to apply at www.recruitment.hppolice.gov.in from 8 am onwards. Apart from online, this time the application fee can also be deposited offline. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, Kaul Singh said, "I have lack of resources, cannot contest elections from Mandi." Eight-time MLA and former minister Kaul Singh Thakur has refused to contest the by-elections of Mandi parliamentary seat. He said that, "I am short of resources and funds. The last election to the assembly is to be fought in the year 2022. Whoever the party decides as a candidate from Mandi, hard work will be done for him." Kaul Singh, who reached the state Congress headquarters Rajiv Bhavan Shimla on Thursday, that in the past he has visited Mandi parliamentary constituency along with the state president Kuldeep Singh Rathore. Most of the workers want ticket for Pratibha Singh, former MP from Mandi. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, 50% target of second dose of corona vaccine in Himachal met. Himachal Pradesh government has achieved 50% target of second dose of corona vaccine according to the 2011 census. The government has set a target of vaccinating 53.77 lakh people. So far, 27,02,379 people have received the second dose. After coming first in the first dose, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has told the state government to come number one in the country in the second dose as well. Chief Secretary Ram Subhag Singh has asked the health department to complete the target by November. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, former president's granddaughter Sushmita reached Shimla in Vistadome. Said Kalka Shimla railway track beats Switzerland. The Kalka Shimla railway track is very beautiful. The beauty here even beats Switzerland. When the train passes between the mountains, it seems as if nature is taking us in its lap. The cleanliness in the train is very good and the staff is also cooperative. Sushmita, the granddaughter of former President Pranab Mukherjee, who reached Shimla from Kalka in Vistadome Express. Moving ahead in today's bulletin, one dose corona vaccine may come in the market soon. Johnson & Johnson's one dose vaccine to protect against coronavirus may soon get a green tick from the Central Drug Laboratory, Kasoli. However, Johnson & Johnson company have been approved for emergency use by Drug Controller General to use the vaccine in emergency. The company sent CDL Kasoli for batch testing. CDL is also examining the batch of vaccine. After the vaccine passes the test, CDL will give the vaccine a green tick. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, paving the way for the regularization of thousands of employees in Himachal. The Election Commission has cleared the way for regularizations of thousands of employees of different categories to be regularized on 30 September. Although this process is adopted every year, but due to the implementation of Model Code of Conduct due to the by-elections, permission was sought from the Election Commission. In the Revenue Department also, approval has been sought from the Commission for recruitment to about 850 posts of Patwaris. These Patwaris have been selected. Now their one-year training is to be started. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, 7-story building collapsed due to landslide in Shimla. Cracks in many others, the threat to the hotel. A 7-story building collapsed due to a landslide in Kachi Ghati area of Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla, at around 5:30 p.m. on Thursday. A 2-story building and a house built on the lower side of the hill from the debris of the building were also turned into a rubble. At the same time, half dozen of buildings have also came at risk. The administration has also got these buildings vacated. The 7-story building was evacuated even before it collapsed. People of 8 families living in the building were shifted to another place. Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, CM Jairam said a Congress leader does not want to contest elections, another one is not apply getting the ticket. After the announcement of the by-polls in Himachal Pradesh, Chief Minister Jairam Thakur had 4 public meetings in Sirar constituency on Thursday. He made scathing attacks on the Congress. He said that Congress leaders are forwarding each other names for the candidate in the Mandi seat. The condition of the opposition camp is such that their leader is not being decided first. Where will the candidates be decided? Moving ahead to the next news in today's bulletin, screening of ice will start in government ration depots. Will get cheaper ration from November. In the government depots of Himachal Pradesh, the ration distribution process will start from November by screening the ice. For this, the Food Supply Department has completed the tender process. With the introduction of this, consumers will not have to worry about the problems like failure of biometric machines in depot or server down. The food supply department is going to make the process of taking ration in the depot more easy for about 18.50 lakh ration card consumers in the state. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, which tells us about the corona situation in the state. One infected patient died in Himachal. 182 new cases. Himachal Pradesh, a 68-year-old corona positive person died in district Kangra on Thursday. At the same time, 182 new cases of corona have come in the state. The number of corona active cases in the state has reached 1,695. The death toll of corona has reached 3,660. For the investigation of corona, samples of 8,814 people were taken in the state on Thursday. The Election Commission has asked to strictly follow the COVID protocol in the by-elections to be held in the 3 assembly and 1 parliamentary seat of Himachal Pradesh. The Chief Electoral Officer of the state said this in a meeting with the leaders of all the parties. During the all-party meeting, the CEO provided copies of Model Code of Conduct to the representatives of all the parties. Moving on to the next news in today's bulletin, HRTC conductor recruitment exam result declared. Himachal Pradesh Staff Selection Commission Hamirpur has declared the result of Himachal Transport Corporation bus conductor recruitment exam under the postcode 762 on Thursday. 565 candidates have been selected on the basis of merit, and a total of 3 posts, including 1 OBC and 2 SC reserve category posts, have remained vacant for the Freedom Fighter Ward. The commission had invited applications in December 2019 to fill 568 posts of HRTC bus conductor. Moving on to the last news of today's bulletin, heavy rain alert in Himachal. Landslide on highway in Kangra, 3 injured due to lightning in Sujanpur. Heavy damage has been caused in Himachal Pradesh on Thursday amid yellow alert of heavy rain. Cloudburst again on Thursday in Raghupur Kullu. 2 culverts and dozen pedestrian paths were washed away and many crops were destroyed. At the same time, the Matul-Shimla National Highway remained closed for 1.5 hours due to the fall of the hill on the Kangra bypass. Due to this, the supply of milk and bread was affected. On the other hand, a mother-in-law and a daughter-in-law were injured due to lightning in Janadu of Hamirpur. So that's it for today's bulletin, guys. We will meet you again tomorrow. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye-bye.